everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 64, talking about transportation, bus, train, taxi. Imagine this. You're standing at the bus stop. It's raining. Your phone says the bus is coming in 2 minutes, but then it's late. You get wet, you get stressed, and you think, why is transportation always so complicated? That's our little trigger today. But don't worry, we're going to make it super simple and fun. We'll learn easy words and sentences about buses, trains, and taxis. Hi, Ben.
Hi, Lily. Hello, dear listeners. I'm Ben, and I'm really excited for this episode. Transportation is something we use almost every single day. How do you usually get to school, to work, to the shop, to visit friends? Bus, train, taxi? Maybe all three. Today, we'll talk about all of them, slowly and clearly, so that beginners can understand and repeat everything. Let's start with the bus. It's the most common one for many people.
Yes, let's begin with the bus. A bus is a big vehicle. It carries many people at the same time. It's usually not very expensive. We say it's cheap or affordable. Then, do you ride the bus often?
Yes, I ride the bus 3 or 4 times a week. It's very convenient in my city. You go to a place called the bus stop. The bus stop is a special spot with a sign and sometimes a small shelter. You wait there until your bus comes. Lily, what does your bus stop look like?
My bus stop has a bench where you can sit, a timetable on the wall, and a sign with the bus numbers. Each bus has a number. For example, bus number 3, bus number 15, bus number 42. The number tells you the direction. So you say, I need bus number 8 because it goes to the market. Very simple. Let's learn some important words. The person who drives the bus is called the bus driver. The people inside the bus are called passengers.
Perfect. Now, the money you pay to ride is called the fare. You can ask, how much is the fare? Or, what's the bus fare to the center? You usually buy a ticket. In many cities, now you can buy a ticket with your phone. There are special apps. It's very easy.
Yes, I love using the app. No need to look for coins. Okay, listeners, let's practice a very basic sentence. Repeat after me slowly. I take the bus to school. Ready? I take the bus to school.
I take the bus to school. Excellent. Now another one. The bus is late. Say it with me. The bus is late.
Good job. And one more. The bus is crowded. Crowded means there are too many people and it's hard to find a seat. Repeat. The bus is crowded.
Very good. Sometimes the driver says, please move to the back of the bus. That means go further inside so more people can get on. Let's make a short dialogue. Imagine we are waiting together.
Okay. Hi, Ben. Are you waiting for the bus too?
Yes, Lily. I'm waiting for bus number 12. It goes to the park.
Me too. Is it coming soon?
I think so. Look, here it comes.
Great. Let's get on the bus. Remember, we say get on when we enter the bus.
And when we leave, we say get off. So later you can say, excuse me, this is my stop. I want to get off here.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat 3 times. This is my stop. I want to get off here.
This is my stop. I want to get off here. This is my stop. I want to get off here. This is my stop. I want to get off here.
Wonderful. If the bus is very full and you have to stand, hold the rail. The rail is a long bar you can grab so you don't fall when the bus moves. Safety is important.
Yes, always think about safety. Buses are also good for nature. When many people ride one bus, there are fewer cars on the road. Fewer cars equals less pollution. Pollution is bad smoke in the air.
That's right. But sometimes buses are slow because of traffic. Traffic means too many cars. Everything moves slowly. Let's repeat all the bus words again. Bus, bus stop, bus driver, passenger, fare, ticket, get on, get off, crowded, late, rail, traffic, pollution, timetable.
Great review. Now let's move to the train. Trains are exciting.
Trains are wonderful. A train is a very long vehicle. It has many cars connected together. It moves on special metal lines called tracks. Some trains go very fast between cities. Other trains are underground. We call them subways or metro.
I love subways in big cities. They are fast and you don't see traffic. Lily, do you like traveling by train?
Yes, very much. You can sit comfortably, look out the window, and see beautiful views. Forests, rivers, mountains, cities. The window is important for nice views.
Exactly. Now, the place where you wait for the train is called the train station. Inside the station, you look for the platform. The platform is the long area next to the tracks.
For example, my train is on platform 4. You need to find platform 4. Then you wait there.
When the train comes, we say it arrives. When it leaves, we say it departs. Example, the train arrives at 10:15 and departs at 10:25.
Time is very important for trains. They usually follow the schedule. The schedule is a list of times when trains come and go. You can check the schedule on the board or on your phone.
Tickets for trains are often more expensive than bus tickets. On the train, there is a person called the conductor. The conductor checks your ticket. He or she says, "Tickets, please."
Yes. Now, let's learn some useful sentences. I catch the train every morning. Catch means I get on it just in time. Oh no, I missed the train. Missed means I was too late.
That happens to everyone sometimes. Another sentence, the train is delayed. Delayed means it's late, maybe because of rain, snow, or technical problems.
Let's make a train dialogue.
Sure. Lily, where are you going by train?
I'm going to visit my grandmother in another city. I need to buy a ticket.
Go to the ticket office or use the machine. How much is it?
One way is $18. Round trip is cheaper, $32.
I'll buy round trip. Now we hear, please board the train at platform 6. Board means get on.
And very important announcement, mind the gap. The gap is the space between the platform and the train. Be careful.
Safety first again. Trains are comfortable. There are seats. Sometimes you can buy coffee or snacks.
Yes, let's repeat train words. Train, tracks, subway, station, platform, arrives, departs, schedule, conductor, ticket, catch, missed, delayed, board, mind the gap, round trip, one way.
Fantastic. Now the last one, taxi.
Taxi is different. A taxi is a normal car, but you pay the driver to take you exactly where you want to go. It's private, only you and maybe your friends.
Taxis are very convenient when you are in a hurry, when it's late at night, when you have heavy bags, or when you go to the airport.
Yes, you can find a taxi at a taxi stand. A taxi stand is a special place where many taxis wait.
Or you can hail a taxi. Hail means you stand on the street and raise your hand when you see an empty taxi.
Nowadays, many people use apps. Uber, Bolt, Yandex.Go. You open the app right where you want to go and the car comes to you.
Inside the taxi, there is a meter. The meter shows how much money you have to pay. It counts distance and time.
So the fare depends on how far you go and how long it takes. Useful sentences are, please take me to the train station. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes. When you arrive, here is fine, thank you. Or can you drop me off at the entrance?
And if you give more money than needed, you can say, keep the change. That means the driver can keep the extra money as a tip.
Let's do a taxi dialogue.
Ben, I need to go to the hospital quickly.
Okay, let's call a taxi. Or, taxi. Hello, driver.
Good afternoon. Please take us to City Hospital.
Sure, please buckle up. Put on your seatbelt.
How much will it cost, approximately?
Around $12 to $15. It depends on traffic.
Okay, thank you.
Taxis are more expensive than buses or trains, but they are fast and direct.
Let's compare all three again.
Bus, cheap, many people, sometimes slow and crowded.
Train, faster, comfortable, follows schedule, good for longer distances.
Taxi, most expensive, but very flexible. You choose time and exact place.
Perfect. Now let's do more practice. Listeners, repeat after us.
Lily and Ben together. I take the bus every day.
I take the bus every day.
The train leaves at 7:30.
The train leaves at 7:30.
Please take me to the airport.
Please take me to the airport.
Good. Now imagine situations.
Situation 1. You are at the bus stop. Ask a question.
Excuse me, does bus number 5 go to the museum?
Yes, it does. It comes in 3 minutes.
Situation 2. You are on the train.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Situation 3. You are in a taxi.
Turn right at the next traffic light, please.
Okay, no problem.
Let's talk about a full day with different transport.
Morning. I wake up, eat breakfast, go to the bus stop. I take bus number 22 to the university.
At lunchtime, I meet my friend. We take the subway to the city center.
After classes, it's raining. I don't want to get wet, so I call a taxi to go home.
Nice story. Now, listeners, think about your own day. How do you move around? Try to describe it using our new words.
Let's do one more long role play, all 3 types.
Okay. Morning scene.
Hi, Lily. How do you go to work today?
By bus. Bus number 9 stops near my house.
Nice. I go by train. The station is 10 minutes from my apartment.
Good luck. See you later.
Afternoon scene.
Ben, I finished early. Let's meet in the old town.
Sure, I'll take the train to Central Station, then change to bus number 14.
I'll take a taxi. It's faster today.
Evening scene. Ben, I'm tired. No more buses or trains for me.
Same here. Let's share a taxi home.
Great idea. Taxi to River Street, please.
Yes.
We used bus, train, and taxi in one day.
Listeners, try to tell your own transportation story. Use as many words as you can.
Now, let's repeat vocabulary one last time, slowly.
Bus, bus stop, bus driver, passenger, fare, ticket, get on, get off, crowded, late.
Train, train station, platform, arrives, departs, schedule, conductor, delayed, board, mind the gap.
Taxi, taxi stand, hail a taxi, meter, fare, buckle up, drop off, keep the change.
Excellent work, everyone.
We talked a lot today. We learned many new words and sentences about bus, train, and taxi. We practiced dialogues, compared the 3 types, talked about safety, environment, and real-life situations.
The most important thing is practice every day. Say the sentences out loud. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe how you go to different places. Little by little, your English will become much better.
You are doing great. We believe in you. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking.
Thank you so much for being with us in episode 64. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care and travel safely.